Hey guys, welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some zero carb cornbread and also the homemade zero carb dressing. So let me get started. Keep watching. Okay, this is my flourless cornbread. I'm going to use this to make my Carnivore dressing, my zero carb dressing. This is a pound of turkey meat, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of baking powder, and I mixed it up and placed it in this casserole dish. I cooked this at 350 degrees for like 25 minutes. I made some barbecue ribs today and also some baked chicken wings. This is my granddaughter, Diamond. She's 4 years old. She loves fashion. This is my zero carb dressing. So I just mix some celery, onions, garlic, and bell pepper in here. I added about a half a teaspoon of sage, half a teaspoon parsley, and a half a teaspoon of thyme. Off camera, I added a 1/4 cup of water, a teaspoon of salt, 1 whole egg, and I mixed it up again, and I put it in this little small casserole dish. It's just for us, and I'm gonna bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 50 to 55 minutes. That is so good. I tell you, you can't tell that this is not cornbread dressing. This is made out of turkey meat.